This is the Genesis GV80. If equipped, the Genesis GV80 may be available with an Advanced Rear Occupant Alert system. This feature provides reminders to help prevent the driver from leaving when a rear passenger or belonging is left in the back seat of the vehicle. To enable or disable Rear Occupant Alert, press Setup, Vehicle, Convenience, and then Rear Occupant Alert. Once enabled, Rear Occupant Alert functions automatically. If the rear door has been opened and closed, a cluster alert will appear the next time that the vehicle is turned off and the driver's door is opened. After the rear occupant alert has been shown, a second follow-up alert may be shown if any movement is detected after the driver's door is closed and all doors are locked. The second alert is combined with the vehicle horn and hazard lights and may activate up to 8 times if movement is still detected. After the doors are locked, movement may be detected for up to 10 minutes. Be sure all windows are closed to avoid false alarms from wind or insects, and the alert may occur if the vehicle is pushed, shaken, or moved with the doors locked. To cancel the alert, unlock the doors with the smart key fob. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.